Tecno has been known for its budget and mid-range smartphones in India. Last April, the company launched the Phantom X as its flagship smartphone for India. In 2022, we now have its successor called the Phantom X2 5G.
Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and today I'll be sharing my first impressions for the Tecno Phantom X2 5G. So let's get started.
The Tecno Phantom X2 5G comes in a black matte finished box with the Phantom X2 5G writing embossed on it. Inside, we're greeted by the smartphone and two additional boxes which contain the 45-watt power adapter, a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable, and surprisingly, a wired earphone with a USB Type-C input. Under the smartphone is another box that contains the SIM eject tool and a hard case for the phone that also doubles as a stand. The Tecno Phantom X2 5G is available in a single variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It comes in two color options, Moonlight Silver and Stardust Grey. It is priced at Rs 39,999 in India and will compete with the likes of the Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G and Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. Coming to the design of the smartphone, this is a quirky looking device for sure. The Tecno Phantom X2 sports a glass sandwich design with the back featuring a matte finished AG glass. We have the Phantom branding on the back, but there's no sign of any Tecno branding on the smartphone. The Moonlight Silver color does not attract any fingerprints and is quite smooth to the touch. The aluminium unibody design looks good with the glossy frame, but this doesn't attract as many fingerprints as I thought it would. On the right side of the Tecno Phantom X2 5G, we have the power and the volume buttons, the Type-C charging port, a speaker grill, a microphone and the SIM slot are all located at the bottom, followed by another microphone for noise cancelling on the top of the handset. The rear camera module on the Tecno Phantom X2 5G is what makes this a unique looking device. The module protrudes quite a bit from the matte finished glass back and the cameras are aligned diagonally, similar to the iPhone 13. The only difference is that the lenses on the Phantom X2 are simply huge, which gives it a striking look. I personally liked this fresh design language, but I can see how some might be put off by this quirky design choice. The three rear cameras consist of a 64-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera, along with a quad flash setup. Initial samples from these cameras look decent. The newly added Sky Shop option in the camera interface is unique and can be used to change the look of the sky in landscape shots. The Tecno Phantom X2 sports a 32-megapixel front camera that captures good images given enough light. Coming to the display of the smartphone, the Tecno Phantom X2 is equipped with a 6.8-inch curved edge AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 360Hz touch sampling rate. The display seems bright enough to be used in most environments and is quite sharp. Viewing 4K 60fps videos on it was a good experience. This display also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The smartphone sports a 5160 mAh battery and supports 45-watt fast charging. It is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 5G SoC. In my limited time using it, I found the phone to be quite fast for browsing the web, streaming videos, and even gaming. I'm not a huge fan of Tecno's custom Android skin called HiOS, but this time it feels a lot smoother. The smartphone still runs on Android 12 though, which is a bummer. The Tecno Phantom X2 5G is a unique looking smartphone and is sure to grab anyone's attention, especially looking at the rear camera design. On paper, the smartphone has a good camera setup, great display, and a big enough battery capacity. But is it enough for you to consider it over more established names in this segment? This will most likely be Tecno's biggest challenge with the new Phantom X2 5G.
That's it for today's video. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please like and share it. And for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.